This is my bike check. Here with the newly refurbished ODI grips. Got these little knuckles on there. FSA brakes with the other side too. Front brake. Do my stoppies. Sexy blue 4-piece bars. Limited edition bag to come with it. See that? $129 bag. $129. Got this reflection light. Keep me all bright and sexy. This clamp. Mongoose Threatener clamp. Here's the front brake. Stoppy man. Got the scavenger forks. Blue. Got
You
these
can go say Mongoose on them. Oh well.
holy pegs, because I like the holy churches. You know, like that. 79,000 spoked wheels. Limited edition. Got the Odyssey hazard tires. Got the new fit frame. The Mongoose Crush stickers on it. 25 tooth sprocket in the front, 9 tooth in the back, as you can see. Mongoose Phoenix seat. The more pegs and same thing. Pretty loud. It's got that nice tractor sound to it. Got these limited edition cranks, 1-piece Mongooses with the premium slim pedals and the kickstand, man. Kickstand. Get that kicker on there. That's my butt check. Yeah.
At Target.